हर लड़की का मेरे पास कपड़े नहीं है मोमेंट आता है. एवरीबडी, इट्स कॉमन, इट्स वेरी कॉमन प्रॉब्लम, बट सोल्यूशन है गाइस. कीप वॉचिंग.
Hi guys, this is Archie. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet another video where we're going to be discovering 50 kurti outfit ideas for every occasion. For festivals, for college, for office, for brunch as well as for vacation. So it covers all the different occasions and it's going to be 50 kurti outfit ideas. It's actually just a reminder to say hello to all the outfits in your wardrobe. Let's go and let's begin with the video. Beginning with office. Now starting off with this look, it's a complete monochrome look. Monochrome मतलब black and white वाला monochrome. अब guess करो इसमें statement piece क्या है? The small black jacket. Now that's something that is detachable, got stitched from a tailor. So one statement piece in your wardrobe can actually work for different outfits and different kurtis as well. Same kurti we've layered with junk jewelry, a black blazer as well as a belt. Outfit देखो बहुत प्यारा लग रहा है. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. मेरे बस में हो तो I can have a monochrome week. I can just declare one in office. Ditch everything else and just add one choker and add some heels to your outfit, and that's how you can just convert a simple kurti into a bohemian kurti. अगर blazer ना हो तो you can opt for a solid color shirt, a thin material one, and you can wear it as a blazer. बेल्टवा नहीं भूलिए. You know, you should always invest in casual kurtis. And this one is from Myntra because it's checked now. It gives those business formal wala vibe. Kurtis with printed sleeves and plain body are one of the most versatile pieces you can ever own in your wardrobe. If you recollect, it's the similar jacket that I wore in the first outfit. Kurti is vibrant, so effect of the entire look is also vibrant. For a lot of kurtis, we do have a dori पीछे के यहाँ पे. You have a knot, so you can even play around with that. And this one has to be my by far favorite look. मैंने कभी लाइफ में नहीं सोचा था pencil skirt with kurti will look so sexy. The color combinations is of course the key here. The black detailing on the sleeves as well as the black pencil skirt merged together and just finished it off with stilettos. I think thin shrugs, shirts as well as jackets can be a really good investment because it's easily convertible. समझे? ये तो 250 बैंड्रा से लिया है. The ombre color effect, मतलब same color family पहनना है, that is also one of the statements that you can wear. You better don't mess with me. If you want to give that vibe, you can pair up your chicken curry kurtis with cigarette pants. I think it just levels up the game. बहुत ही matured look आता है पता नहीं ये chicken curry kurti पहनने के बाद. Shrug days. The days when you have not waxed your underarms. Pastel color palettes go really well to match the office wala theme. Time for festival outfit ideas. Monochrome. I don't know what's wrong with me. ये black and white क्यों दिखा रही हूँ मैं? But just an example, if the color palettes match and blend perfectly, you can blend different materials. Like here, the skirt is chiffon, the dupatta is netka, and the top is cotton. It still blends together because the color palette blends easily. The main player here is the Kashmiri dupatta. To add the festival touch, you can even add a heavy neck piece or earrings as per your convenience. एक और टिप है, ट्रांसपेरेंट कोटी स्टिच करा लो which can go on common colors like blue, black. Actually pick a common color in your wardrobe and stitch करा लो. You'll never regret investing into one. I think I'm losing my mind. Oh well, a Banarsi dupatta can be a kanhaiya of all your collection. It amps up any look, like be it festival, be it an event, shaadi, kahin bhi jana ho, you can just add a Banarsi dupatta and you're good to go. Garba karu che, printed long skirt che. A good printed long skirt with a kurti is just like Sita meets Geeta. It goes so well together. I think I've found this really cool way to add dupatta to your outfit. Now, when you're wearing pants, cigarette pants especially, you can add volume to your outfit because you're already toned down a lot of fabric in your outfit. So, dupatte ko bottom mein tuck in karo. It gives a very cool drape effect, and it also adds volume to your outfit. And I think it's a really cool way to add dupatta and add a festive touch to your entire outfit.
So basically, what I take away from all these looks is investing in a statement dupatta, a good neck piece or a heavy earring. All of these dupattas actually मैंने ना ऐसे ही चलते चलते रोड साइड पे खरीद लिया था. तो
Whenever you are working, guys, shopper की eyes से देखना कभी कौन सा piece मिल जाए पता नहीं, you know. Always attentive. I'm on a all black look. The kurti is black. The skirt that I'm wearing is black. With all the possible jagmag and disco lighting that I can have on the dupatta. Cool option for Makar Sankranti as well as कोई भी छोटा पूजा या function हो at your house. I know it's getting too much into the eye, but please bear with me. You can wear this to any retro event. कोई भी घर का retro event होगा. You can never be sorry to wear colors in Holi, right? So Holi के लिए this could be a perfect option.
it's time for college outfit ideas. Let's see what we have in stock. Starting off with print on print. I'm just wearing a printed shirt over a printed kurti and keeping one color in common. That's the golden rule. That is how I've paired the entire look together. Add a long skirt and turn it into a top. Not a bad option, right? A short denim jacket is there in every college ladki ka wardrobe, and that is something that you should pair it with your kurtis. It gives those Geet from Jab We Met wala vibe. I paired a white legged jeans with a simple kurti, and you could say, see, just adding a denim jacket gives the perfect college vibe, a casual one yet a chic one. A coordinate kurti set along with a denim jacket, keeping the same theme in mind. You can play around with your hair as well. A half ponytail, a half bun or a braid all work amazing with this look. Hello Mariam. No offense guys, but this is a very cute ladki wala vibe. You can layer a top over your kurti dress, add a hairband for the extra cute wala feel, and for the top, when you're layering a top over a dress, you can even keep the buttons open if it's a fitted top that you have. अब लेयरिंग पे आ ही गए हैं तो let's wear a white shirt with your kurti dress. That's no harm, right? And finish off the entire look with white Converse. If you've noticed guys, the entire look is binded up with the color white. A long jacket with boots. Hi, I love this look. I love how this entire bohemian look is actually holded up with the shrug that I'm wearing. Indigo blue and white combination shrugs give a bohemian vibe, so you can invest in one. I got this one from Club Factory only for $200. अब कैसे I've convinced you to buy a denim jacket. Now you can even add a scarf along with a denim jacket and you tick off one more look from the 50 kurti outfit idea. Smart girl! I mean, you can invest in a long kurti without slits. That is another key while shopping when you're in college. Go for kurti dresses. That is without slits wala kurti. एक नॉट की कीमत तुम लोग क्या जानो यार. Knot up the casual kurti, loafers, and just look at. I just love this look. अगर एक monochrome set है and you want to layer it with a poncho and belt, you can even add a poncho. Poncho style was back then and I still have it. So I've belted the poncho, the belt as well as the poncho is of the same color and the outfit is of the same color. So two monochromes added together to complete this look. Belting this kurti before a black transparent shirt enters its territory. A knot, a neck piece, check, you're good to go. Jab you don't want a dress, a black kurti and jeans and loafers, no questions asked, you're good to go. Cotton shirt over a cotton kurti and then belting it. And sports shoes. So if you're layering cotton over cotton, make sure you go for a thinner belt because it gives you an illusion of a thinner waistline. Just something that I observed while filming. Try this look. It's a fun way to change the entire look of your outfit by just adding one bangle. Now khud se dekh lo, you'll fall in love with this hack. Let's make your outfit vacation approved. Time for vacation outfit ideas. You just need a few pieces, right? So this is a kurti dress and a scarf to match with it. Recreating the Japanese dress wala look, you can add a scarf like a belt on the midriff, and that's how the entire look looks like. Here is one more way you can reduce the volume of your fabric by adding a scarf to your shoulder. Another tip is layering with thin fabric in case you're curvy. Do not let the layer pile up on you and add the extra fabric, making you look like a couch potato. The times when you get extra creative with your creativity or tum shrug ulta pehan lete ho and you just add a belt, but trust me, this is a very cool way to just change your outfit, but shrug ka quality should be thin material. That's something that you have to keep in mind. That's it. Matlab itna hi dimag lagana hai. Here too I've just added a belt and some junk jewelry, and you can play with your outfit on vacation. Can't stop stressing on investing into kurti dresses. मतलब slit नहीं होता है, तुम kurti जैसे पहन सकते हो, dress जैसे पहन सकते हो. A very versatile piece. I got this from Myntra again. Going with different shades of blue and keeping the same color scheme, tie a knot to your t-shirt and throw some silver jewelry, and this is picnic bitch approved. There are a lot of kurtis which have unique cuts, and this one is from Myntra just for 400 rupees. I'll link it below. Honestly, this kurti in itself is a statement. While pairing a kurti, of course, footwear matters a lot. तो यहाँ पे मैंने brown color के leather jutis जो मैंने कोलाबा से खरीदे थे a while back. This is what I've paired along with silver jewelry. अभी तक तो पता ही चल गया होगा obsession with silver jewelry. The print of this kurti along with its color combination of orange and white वो बहुत ज़्यादा vacation vibe देता है already, और because it's bright you can tone it down with white sneakers. Now this shirt हम office में अंदर पहने थे, and because we are now on a vacation, it's time to wear the shirt outside and tie a knot. Opting for a white sneaker while you're traveling is not a bad idea, you know. A thin shrug that I got from Bandra a few years ago for just 250 rupees can be layered with a belt in 3 different ways. Let's see the magic that it creates. Hence proved on a vacation, carry tons and tons of scarves because if you don't have a jacket like this, a scarf or a thin dupatta can act like a similar piece like this one. Holy roly poly, that's an amazing outfit. Time to decide what to wear. जब ठूसने जाना हो, you're going to have a food baby but you still want to hide the food baby. What are the kind of outfit ideas you can opt for? Statement jackets and monocolor outfits have been in trend for a really long time, and actually adding a boho neck piece in any outfit can never be wrong. Showing off my bohemian neck pieces is going to be my next video idea. If you want to hide your food baby and your tummy, layer with a thin transparent shirt of the same color. But of course, belt it up with a cloth belt. Do not go for a leather belt. A cloth belt makes your tummy look flat. Did you know? One more way to wear your anarkali kurti as a dress is wear the same color inside your anarkali kurtis because they are transparent. So मैंने अंदर black camisole पहना है along with a black palazzo, and I know this looks like a black chicken curry dress. And this is how you just convert your chicken curry kurti into a skirt. Wearing kurti dresses as kurti with palazzo pants or even jeans or secret pants can be a simple way to just add a statement brunch look. This video is not inspiring you to shop a lot, guys. This just is giving you an idea of how you can look for pieces when you're going next time shopping, and if you already have all of these pieces in your wardrobe, you can actually mix and match and create 50 outfits from something that already exists in your cupboard. I don't know if you noticed, but this outfit looks cute with or without a hairband as well. भगवान जाने क्या किया है, but अगर कुर्ती थोड़ा टाइट हो गया है, टमी आ गया है, so these are the ways in which you can actually style your kurti. और सेफ्टी पिन के मदद से, बेल्ट के मदद से, how you can create these looks. Oh no! Honestly, I love the blue theme and I chose here too much of blue, but this is going to give you some inspiration to wear print on print. When wearing print on print, we know the golden rule is just adding a similar color and then you just go crazy and wild with styling your print on print. Before my throat gives up, please share this video with all your friends and let's hit 10,000 super soon. I really hope this video was helpful and it gave you some inspiration to dig into kurtis, and if it was, then don't forget to like, share it with all your friends, all your girlfriends. In this समय ना, there are 2-3 things जो मैं mind में रखती हूँ, like if I can wear this as a dress, if not a dress, 2-3 अलग ways से अगर मैं इसको style कर सकती हूँ, तो I invest in the piece. या तो फिर वो style बहुत different होना चाहिए, या तो फिर वो outfit, या तो वो कुर्ती बहुत ज़्यादा versatile होनी चाहिए. So I hope this video was helpful and gave you tips also on how to pick up the right kurti and how you can style it in different ways. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, by the way, let me give you a hint about the next video. Excited about the video? Then don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!